CAT 2024 LRDI section. Puzzle 2. Quite easy, doable puzzle. Now let's go ahead with the puzzle. It says six web surfers, MNOP, XY, and each had 30 stars, which they had distributed among four bloggers, A, B, C, and D. The number of stars received by A and B from the six web surfers is shown in the figure below. So let's summarize first of all this information. They all had 30 stars and the graph information. Let's make a table of it first of all. So after making the table, as we can see at the top, we have written six surfers, MNOPXY, and at the left hand side, we have written four bloggers, A, B, C, D. Now let's summarize the information. The first information they have given to us that they all have 30 stars. So M has 30 stars, N also has 30 stars. Let's write total here. O 30, P 30, X 30, Y also 30. So in total, if I add all of them, it becomes 180. Now the next information which we have, they talked about the number of stars received by bloggers A and B. So blogger A received from M, N, P, and Y, and blogger B received from P and Y. This information is given to us. Now, what are the numbers? Let's read some more instructions. The following additional facts are known regarding the number of stars received by bloggers from the surfer. The number of stars received by the bloggers will be all multiple of 5. That means this is 10, this is going to be 25, 5, 25, 5, and 20. Now let's summarize this in the table. M gave 10 to A, N gave 25, B gave 5, and Y also gave 5 to A. Now B received from P, that is 25, and 20 from Y. So this graph also has been summarized. It's very important to summarize every information in the CAT, because then only we can go towards the questions and we can definitely find out our answers very quickly. The second information which we have, the total number of stars received by bloggers were the same. So if the number of stars were same, that means these 180 stars has to be divided among four bloggers. So if I divide 180 by 4, I get 45. That means every blogger got 45 stars. So this is 45, this is 45, this also 45, and D also received 45 stars. Now if I add for A, it's 10 plus 25, 35 plus 5, 40 plus 5, 45. That means O did not give any stars to A. X also did not give any stars to A. B also got 45 and the number is already completed. B gave 25, Y gave 20. That means M, N, O, and X did not give any star to B. Let's go further. The next information says each blogger received a different number of stars from M. So the number of stars that I'm going to receive, I'm going to give, the total comes out to be 30. That means it is either 5 and this is 15, or this is 15 and this is 5. That is the only possibility that how it can be different integers, multiples of 5. The next, it says two surfers gave all their stars to a single blogger. Now there are only O and X remaining, who are having their all the stars with them right now. Rest everybody M, N, P, Y, they have given some of the stars already. So O and X gonna give 30 stars either to C or to D. So they're gonna give to two different people. O may give to C or D. The same way X also may give to C or D, but different, not the same person, because the total has to be 45. Now D received more stars than C from Y. Now Y has 5 stars remaining. D gonna get more. That means D gonna get 5 and C gonna get 0. I believe quite clear. Quite clear. All the things are quite clear right now. Now, as I know, I need to make it 25. And if I see towards the n still have five more stars with him, which he has to either give to C or has to give to D. Now, one more thing which we have to understand, the total stars with D has to be 45. He already got 5 from Y. 30 he gonna get either from O or from X. That means it's gonna be 35. He may get only 10 more, but he can't get 15. That means this number has to be 5. D must have received only 5 stars from M. That means this number is 5, and the C will be receiving 15 stars from M. Now this clear means now P gonna give the rest of the 5 stars to D. Sorry, not P, N, because N has 5 star left with him. This is already done. P already has given 30 stars. This is also 30 now. Now O and X are remaining, and we are not aware that whether he is going to give to C or D. Same goes for X. These numbers we are not sure, but they definitely gonna be 30. Now let's go towards the questions now. The first question says, what was the total number of stars received by D? Now D received 45 stars. That is the answer to my first question. Like if somebody sitting in the cat, I believe it was a very easy puzzle. It was very, very easy, not even very easy, I'll say. It's very, very easy puzzle. What was the number of stars received by D from Y? Now D from Y gonna get 5. That is the answer to that question also we got. This is the question again. The next question. How many surfers distributed their stars among exactly two bloggers? Now M gave to A, C, and D. There are three. N gave to only A and B. That means one is N. O will give only to one. P has already given to 5 and 25. So second person is P, who's gonna give to only two bloggers. X will give all 30 to 1. Y has given to 3. That means the answer is 2. There are two surfers who has given their stars to exactly two bloggers. The last question, which of the following can be determined with certainty? The number of stars received by C from M. We got 15, so that we can clearly find out. And the number of stars received by D from O. Now D from O, it can be 30, it can be 0. We can't be sure about it. That means the second information we can't be sure, the answer gonna be only 1. And then there's the next puzzle we have. It's like a stock market chart, I believe. So we'll solve this in the next video. For this time, this is all. I hope you guys understood this. Thank you so much. Do like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to get more like this. Thank you so much.